going on, everybody? It's your girl Ebony Jean. If you are new to my channel, I am an alopecia and beauty vlogger. I have alopecia universalist, so please click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to join my royal family. We are all queens and kings over here, so if you are a current sub, you're welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be trying eyebrow wigs for the very first time. I've seen this stuff all over social media and I was like, I don't know if I want to try that. I think it's a little weird, but I know all of us have our reserves. So I was sent these wigs by Silk or Lace. I will post their Instagram down below. They are amazing, so you can shop their inventory and follow them on Instagram and stuff. But I am so excited to try these out today, and I know everyone has their techniques on what they use to apply. I'm just going to work with what I have over here because I'm not going to the store right now. So yeah, let's get started. If you're like me and you were a little on edge about trying this stuff, listen, I understand, because brow wigs, when they first came out like a few years ago, I said they are really reaching out here. But now I'm just like, well, maybe I should try it after all. Just like how I tried the tattoo brows. If you're new to my channel or if you have yet to check out those brow videos, I'll link them up here. But yeah, I was just sent these by Silk or Lace. I'll post her Instagram information down below, and these are available on her website, so you can check them out. But I love how beautiful these look, very natural, and I thought I had to trim them a little bit, but I guess not, which is perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and apply these. I know some people are concerned about what to use to make sure that your brows stay on and there's no chance of them coming off. So what I'm gonna do is use the Got To Be glue. Listen, the minute I picked up this can, I thought about the Gorilla Glue girl. I'm sorry. Look, we got common sense over here, okay? I'm sorry, y'all. So I'm gonna take my Got To Be Freeze spray and spray it like so. Now I'm gonna give it just a couple of seconds to dry. You want to take your time with this. And make sure you get a good idea of your placement, like where you want your brows to go, because you don't want them all the way over here. Wow, these are beautiful. I love that. And you can press it in as much as you need to. Of course, you're not supposed to use any of this around your eye, but just be very careful. It's kind of like a hack that I've decided to do. Like, I don't know if anyone else has done this, but if I'm the first, yay! Alright, so I'm going to apply the left brow and come right back. Okay, this is the full effect. I wanted to put on my hair and makeup real quick so I can see how it looks fully with the brows. Just a couple things. I did not fill in my brows. I didn't do anything extra outside of highlighting them with concealer and stuff because I don't want to mess up anything. And I've tried the pomade, like as far as doing the hair strokes, and I just think that looks funny in my opinion, and I don't want nothing to be crazy. So I just decided to leave the brows exactly how they are. I do have a brow pen. I'll try that in the future. But for right now, I do like how the brows look. It is very beautiful. And I just highlight it with concealer and foundation at the top. I definitely see myself wearing these in the future. I will be trying out some different alternatives as far as adhesive is concerned. For right now, the Got2b glue definitely works. Once again, be careful when you're applying these to your brows because you're very close to your eyes and you don't want to damage your vision. For my parents out there, if you are looking to invest in these brows for your child, I strongly encourage you to do that. It is amazing. I know exactly what it's like to be without brows as a kid. I've had alopecia since I was 4, and the last time I saw my actual eyebrows was the age of 14 or 15, but I haven't had any full set since. So yeah, I would definitely encourage you to check out the website. I'll post all of her information down below so you guys can follow them on social media. Check out their brow inventory and stuff. Like, it's amazing. So yeah, I love the brows and I think they are a great investment for the hair loss community. Thank you so much once again to Silk or Lace for sending these to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in. Please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and if you haven't heard by now, I am a Sephora Squad finalist. Okay, so we have just a couple more weeks. Matter of fact, we have less than 2 weeks until they officially announce the entire squad for 2021. So if you want to see your girl on there, please click on the link in my description box where it says Sephora Squad A Testimonial, and tell them why you think I should be a part of their beauty squad. If you enjoy my content, if I've inspired you, encouraged you in any way, now is the time to let Sephora know, and I would not have gotten this far without your support. Thank you guys so much. You are absolutely amazing. God bless you, and let's win it this time, okay? This is my first time making it through as a finalist, so we're not all the way there yet. We're very close. We're almost there. So let's keep sending in those testimonials, and if there's any videos that you guys want to see me cover on my YouTube channel, please feel free to let me know. But I'm so excited to do this because at the end of the day, I'm doing this for you guys. Thanks again for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.